Burnt it once, yeah me too. Now we're cooking like pros, kinda it'll do. Flipping it wrong, but it still tastes right. Bushcrafty Cooks, we feast tonight. And as always, happy cooking.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Bushcrafty Cooks. Today we are going to be cooking some pork steak, as you can see over here. I've been letting them rest, try to get some room temperature to them. Even though they're going to be kind of slow cooked or smoked or however you want. We're cooking these on the pellet grill. So I am going to pre-season these guys so they'll be ready to go. Get a paper towel. Never only ever get one piece of paper towel. It's usually half the roll or it rips in half. Okay, we are using this stuff. It's the Kansas City rub. It's got a good flavor to it. You can get that at the local Dollar Tree. I think that's where I got it at. So usually what I do is keep it over here, so if any spray off goes on other meat, and you just sprinkle it on. And usually that's what the paper towel's for. Usually go like this with the paper towel, so it kind of, instead of sticking all to your fingers and whatnot. There we go. And we'll do the flippy flip. Flip it over. Do it on this side. And I'm about out, so we're gonna douse it with the rest of this real quick. And open another container. And you can kind of move this around if you've got too much in one spot, but you know, you kind of get the gist. You kind of want it to get it all worked within the meat itself. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. And you work your way until all of your meat, and I'll just take the whole thing off. I don't need child safety. And this one's already going to be a bother. So again, go over here like that. Do that number. Take your paper towel. Kind of work it into the meat. Go ahead and flip it over. See that? I almost used my clean hand to. There we go. That smells good already. Okay. Move this over to there. Move on to the next one. And do it again. Anyways, I'm not going to bore you guys with all this. We'll meet you outside at the grill in just a moment. So hang tight. Hey guys, we're back out here once more. Got the meats. Got the heats. Get these bad boys on the grill. back in about an hour, see how they look, if we go that long. So hang tight. Went ahead and dropped it down to 275. Gonna give these guys a flip and see what they look like. Plump it up. Looks like we're getting some good smoke on them. Oh yeah, looking good. It's up here. Rotate these guys a little bit. Here comes that smoke. Okay, here you go, guys. We have some grilled. It's more or less smoked because I had the grill part blocked off, so it's smoked. What we have, let me go ahead and cut one open for you. Plop that bad boy up on there. Oh yeah, that's looking good. It's rested for a little bit. I don't know if you guys can come on camera. Hopefully the camera's focusing on doing that. Get that smoke ring around the outside. I'm gonna go ahead and get me a piece off of here. Sorry, my voice is almost gone, but it is what it is. There you go. Oh yeah, look at that. That tastes so good. But I thought we would bring you along as we seen some pork steaks at the store and decided to bring you with us as we cook them on the pellet grill. Until next time, we will catch you on the next one. Like always, happy cooking.